Hello everyone, how to solve this math olympiad question? Square root down 50 times 51 times 52 times 53 plus 1 is equal to what? How to solve this question without calculator? So let's start. Solution or question here. 50, I take this 50 times, you know that 51, it will be 50 plus 1 times, and here is 52. I can say easily this 52, it will be 50 plus 2 times, and here is 53, it will be 50 plus 3, and here is plus 1. Now at this moment, here is 50, this is 50, this is 50, this is 50, so let here x is equal to 50. So you will let x is equal to 50, then I can say it will be square root here x times x plus 1 times x plus 2, and here is x plus 3 plus 1. Now in this maths question, you can see easily here square root down this x times, I take this x plus 3 here, and at this moment I can see here is x plus 1 times x plus 2, and here is positive 1. Now at this moment I can see easily here square root, then x plus x, it will be x square, plus 3 times x, it will be 3x, and here x times x, it will be x square, x times 2, it will be twice x, plus 1 times x, it will be x, plus 1 times 2, it will be 2, and here is plus 1. Now at this moment I can see easily here is square root, here is x square plus 3x times, and it will be x square, 2x plus x, it will be 3x, plus 2 plus 1. Now at this moment, look, here is x square plus 3x, this is x square plus 3x, so at this moment again let x square plus 3x, it will be y, so the let this is equal to y. Now here square root, I take this is equal to y, and it will be y, but here is positive 2, and this is plus 1. Now at this moment I can see it will be square root down y times y, it will be y square, 2 times y, it will be 2y, and here is plus 1. Then you know that a plus v whole square, it will be a square plus 2ab plus v square. According to this formula, if you think here is y, so a is y and b is 1, so you can see it will be y square plus 2y plus 1, it will be y plus 1 whole square. Now you can see it will be square root, here is a is equal to y, b is equal to 1, y plus 1 whole square. Then here square roots cancel out, we'll find out it will be y plus 1, square roots cancel out, we'll find out here is y is plus 1, it is absolute value. Now here y, first of all we'll let here y is equal to x square plus 3x, so I can see it will be x square plus 3x, and here is plus 1. Now remember that first of all we'll let x is equal to 50, x is equal to 50 here, x is equal to 50. Now at this moment you can see easily it will be x square plus 3x plus 1, then here 50 square plus 3 times 50 plus 1. Now 50 square, I can see easily this 50 square, it will be 250, 0 here is 20, and 3 times 50, it will be 150 plus 1. Then if I add, it will be here is 1, and this is 5, and this is 6, and here is 2. This is the value of in this radical math question, in this square root math problem. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye, take care.